Hey guys, Jeremy Cheney here, and today I'm showing you guys a Cadillac XT6 Premium Luxury. I just got done driving this car. This is a very comfortable, very nice car to drive. This has the 20-inch wheels, has leather interior, and I'm going to do my usual walk around just to show you guys what it looks like. This is Cadillac's first ever 3-row crossover, so I'll show you guys that 3 rows, but just walking around it, it's a really beautiful looking car. Dual exhaust, nice sharp edges. I always like the lights, LED lights on it. Nice looking wheels. So let me back up a little bit. So I like to do these walkarounds just to give you guys an idea what the car looks like, and show you guys, you know, kind of the features and the setup of the cars, just to hopefully make your buying experience or your buying research a little bit easier. So we'll check out the front a little bit more. The front's really amazing. I mean, I love the lights. Like I said, I'm just always kind of been a nerd for the lights. I think that the LEDs are just so awesome on this car. So it does have adaptive cruise control and a forward collision warning system, blind spot monitoring, heated seats. This is a front wheel drive V6 model. And then as you look, you know, the interior is as you'd expect. Definitely very nice looking. Bose sound system, super comfortable, nice leather perforated seats. Dash is really nice looking as well. So I'll jump in, I'll show you guys a little bit of the radio. I'm a little bit newer to this product, but it's got a nice display back here. Tells you your speedometer. As I was driving on the highway, it told me how fast I should be going as well, which was kind of cool. Then you have your touchscreen radio, which, you know, allows you to see audio, phone, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And these screens we can just swipe through, guys. So climate, rear climate, you just hit, make your adjustments wherever you need, bounce back and forth. What I like about what a lot of these car makers are doing now is they're just making it easy for us to understand how to operate the car. This is actually, you can turn the volume up and down while you're driving, which is kind of cool. And this menu kind of allows you to bounce through different, the different, you know, settings and stuff like that. So while you're driving, you don't have to mess with the touchscreen. Has my Monster in here as usual. And then let's check out this back seat. Take our usual look at the sunroof. Does have a panoramic roof, but super comfortable riding car. Nice trim, nice job. So captain seats in the middle. And then as we look back here, these seats aren't up. So there's a button actually right here where you can put that 3rd row up, which is really nice. So now the kids can just merely climb right through here and then jump in that 3rd row. And then need to put it down, all you do is press that button again, seats go down. We'll check out the space in the back too. Lots of space. So if it's just you and your friends or family, you know, and you got to put golf bags back here or anything like that, you can. Of course, you can put these seats up and down just by pressing these, and the seats come up. But just a great car, guys. So I just wanted to do a quick walk around so you guys could check it out. I think we're going to see a ton of these XT6s on the road. This, like I said, the front wheel is available in all wheel, but a really nice looking ride. So as always, I really appreciate you guys checking out the car with me today, and I'll keep you posted with the new stuff every day. Have a good day, guys.